Hey, traders, welcome to the stream. Wow, looking to be a pump stream or something, where Bitcoin today was at its lowest point, $58,960, currently at $61,280, and just hit its highest level of this 4-hour candle. Nearing highs of the day, if you can even believe it. Yeah, and it's the CME futures have opened, coincidentally, in the past 20 minutes. Where if you want to see something about Bitcoin futures, chat, right here, we gapped down. You know what happens on these gaps down, right? Very small, pathetic, no big deal gaps they normally fill, right? The Gap boys losing their minds right now because look what happened at the close of the week. The gap filled, the gap that was created April 19th of this year, it filled. And now you're just hanging out here. So it's very interesting to see what Bitcoin's price action is doing on the new, with futures opening. The new week starts in 1 hour, 41 minutes. Going to try to stick around for that. It's, kind of an interesting day, right? So thanks for being here, and thanks for the support. F1 Stat tipped $161.80 earlier before the stream even started.
Tipped $22.22. Happy birthday. Could you look at $DKNG? DraftKings.
Yo, DraftKings Valley. Thanks, dude, for 22 repeating, of course. Thanks, man. Sorry, my voice is rough. I went out last night. Didn't think I was going out. I got my buddy who's the DJ. He got me VIP access to one of the most popular place in downtown Birmingham. Got to skip the line that wrapped around the corner of the block and walked in. I'm like, doing this to everybody in the line. I'm like, peace out. I get out of my Uber and I walk right in. I'm like, all right, peace out, everybody. So it was fun. It was fun. I'm kind of feeling rough today. So, Manimal, you tipping for that spin? I don't know, man. I'm a little leery, dudes. It was rough.
Happy birthday, Mitch.
What's up, Lorenzo?
Party popper, we all wish you the best. Thanks for everything. Can you take a look at storage, please?
Yeah, look at storage. Everyone's scared about storage.
Happy
I get it,
birthday,
man. What's up, Blob?
You are one of the very few people that have influenced and changed my life. So glad to be a part of this community. Wish you all the best, bro. Less than 3.
Thank you, Spaceball, man, for being around and giving me a chance, and this community giving it a chance. So thanks, man. Just keep investing in yourself. Everything will work out. You'll be head and shoulders above your peers, or inverse head and shoulders above your peers, because bullish. You know what I'm saying, man. So the level where a reaction you think could occur because of Fibonacci, the 886, the 1.618, and the inflection point from March, You did react. I mean, right? You certainly reacted, but dang, man, too much demand going on. Way too much demand going on. Are we just going to violate this? It would be hilarious, but you're still right at that level, so you can't be, you know, look, I'm just talking about right here. I'm just going to move these over so people are just less confused, I guess. I mean, you're just at X marks the spot of where a reaction could occur with the price on the daily, and it just happened, but not really. What's up, DK? What's up, Knowledgeborn? What's up, Gustavo? I met a bouncer named Gustavo. We became friends. He was from Marine. He's a really cool guy.
Super chatted $49.99. Happy birthday, dude. Can you look at nothing? This is just a B-Day gift. One day I'll be tipping you $1 billion.
Oh yeah, that's what that's what B-Dub's saying too, and that's what even freaking Gavin said. He's like, I might just tip you $1 million. I'm like, no, you're not. Give me a break, dude. Really? No one's tipping $1 million. That's. He's like, oh, dude, I've done it before or something. I'm like, what?
Smile, thanks for all you do.
What's up, HR, dude? Huffing stuff, puffing stuffs. Thanks, man.
All good, brother. Glad you got yourself out last night. Happy birthday. Changed my spin to have a look at that instead.
Of course, Manimal, of course. We can do that. Thank you, man. Much love. All right, so the daily, meh. What's important, chat? The weekly, where we are less than 2 hours away. If all stayed the same, and it feels like since Bitcoin already did that dump earlier and has rallied, you'd think that this might be safe. All stays the same. In the next hour, 37 minutes, you'll have the highest weekly candle close of all time. Your RSI will be at its highest levels since April and
Happy
climbing.
birthday,
Bullish control zone.
Storage/BTC working on the C to D wave of a bullish shark. The PCZ lines up with the most critical level on the chart.
You don't say, Mr. Higeki. We'll look at it, man. Thanks, dude. What's up, Elliot, dude?
TS Elliot tipped $25. Much respect, bro. Thanks for all you do. Ignore one request, smile. Relax and have fun.
Ignore one request and have fun. That's nice. That's a nice contribution. I don't know how the people that requested are going to feel about it, but it is my birthday. So, whatever, dude. I guess. Hey, new NFT launched. It's whatever. I think Chillin did a good job. It's not like it's 1.5 Ethereum each or something. It's very reasonable in price compared to like what the bigger ones were, right? So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of the 25 minted have now sold on this NFT. Man, you know, it's just like whatever. It immortalizes Bitcoin, making the highest weekly candle close of all time on my birthday, which is insane, right? And so what's in store for Bitcoin in the coming months? According to Plan B, 100K. I'm thinking Fibonacci 88,000 or something, right? Yeah, dude, so it's been a long time. I mean, someone send a raven to Matthew D and let him know that we've got an NFT back on the menu. You know, it's been like half a year or something, so... So yeah, dude, this is a extremely significant event happening. It's developing on Bitcoin, and the old ABCD. Nothing new here. This is just every time we do the weekly, we're bringing this up now because this is the wave structure, right? You breach this level, it could very well happen. Sitting right around $61,000. When just earlier, you were at you had cracked below 59K briefly. So on this 4-hour candle, $2,400 swing, and that's only 4% swing in price. But wow, this makes you feel like, hey, should we go to a B-vol and just look at? I don't know, maybe it's nothing. You know, old B-vol right here on the daily, still elevating. B-vol elevating some. So you think eventually it would make its way to the top of its range, because historically that's almost always what it does. It gets near the bottom, then runs to the top again. Wow. So it's good because we're in an uptrend that the volatility would be like good volatility, bullish volatility. What's up? What happened? What's up, Colorado Trader? Yeah, we'll look at OXT. Thank you for the birthday wishes. How about that, Mac? Hey, you know, you flip a coin, it went straight up again to the top of the range again, right? On OXT, looking at it. Yep. Thanks, man. So we all need to take a look at something else that's important, I guess, right? What's more important than it, though? The sound clip I'm about to play.
I like turtles.
Chat, we like turtles. Turtles that is just hanging out above the old highest candle close of all time. It's now, for the first time ever, today, working on a backtest of what was once resistance is now support. That's never happened in the history of this chart at this level. So very good stuff, man. I mean, like, how can you even... Wow, incredible. Well, you know what happens when you have successful backtests of old levels, critical levels, that just happen to be old all-time highs on the daily. Good things can happen. Remember your targets. If this is a true successful backtest and we gain follow through because market participants have gained confirmation they need to be more confident to believe that the bottom is in, that this is now the bottom and the rally shall ensue, the rally that's been going on for a long time now, the uptrend, long sustained uptrend would continue, and we would see eventually nearly $3 trillion market cap, and that's pretty much your 1272 fib extension. All right, not bad. It's going to take all the kings, what is it? All the kings men, all the kings some things, you know, like all the cryptos together. But who's going to front run it? Is it going to be Bitcoin or is it going to be Ethereum? Ethereum. That today is still unable to breach prices above September's, unlike Bitcoin that is nearing its highest levels ever. Lately, Ethereum has not been performing as well as Bitcoin. That's okay, right? Isn't it Bitcoin first, then Ethereum second, then other altcoins third, and then the micro caps, the really small ones, fourth, and then dump, and then reset, and then go again. Oh yeah, all the king's horses, all the king's men. There you go, dude. Sorry, man. I'm not kind of rough today. It's all good though. It was worth good times, great times, man. I can't even believe it. It was so random too. Okay, so that's Ethereum, that's Bitcoin, BVOL, total. I guess we could go on over and see Ethereum to Bitcoin. How's that doing? Well, it's getting there, man. It's still right near a cipher PCZ, but we know it could always turn into which would be way more strategic, and it would make way more sense if the asset went a little bit lower and got to the 886, the shark, that lines up with an old inflection point back from 2017, right, in 2018. So you just got to wonder, will this support hold again? And then if it runs, you could say it's Ethereum's outperforming Bitcoin, but not quite yet. I don't know. You're just consolidating. You're stuck sideways. You've been stuck sideways ever since you broke out May 4th. It's just been up and down, you know, between the levels. Between the levels, you know, the other level goes back to May of 2018. I think you got very close, but you didn't get there. So, I don't know. As long as you stay above this critical inflection point, everything will be good. It'll eventually pivot and run to much higher levels. Yeah. Oh, another NFT. Another was just sold. So how many do we got left, man? How many NFTs left? I doubt they all sell, but hey, yes, there are 17 left of the 25. Boom. So thank you all for the support. You know, it's like a way to support the channel. So instead of tipping, you are tipping me when you buy the NFT, but you get that. So the collectible. That will be burned. I will burn this will be burnt probably sometime tomorrow. So if you want it now. It's now or never kind of thing. So they're all like that, like the holiday ones. They get burnt. Okay, so yeah, man. Let's take a look at Cardano. It's down 1.5%. Really just struggling, man. These altcoins catching no bids lately. I mean, at least in the past, some have, right? Obviously, like a couple have, a few have, smaller coins. But, this one being one of the largest cryptos in the world is doing nothing. I mean, it just keeps making higher lows, but certainly not making higher highs, just making lower highs and higher lows. So what is that? Price contraction? I just don't know. It's real, dude. You're rejecting the 200 moving average on the 4 hour. It's just like, is this thing going to roll over? I mean, you think it could very well go to 188 if this doesn't pivot and actually start making higher highs soon. It's just, what's going on, man? Oh, so undecided on Cardano, It's not doing crap. I mean, maybe it's like, you know, of the cipher, it's the type 2 return. Like, right? You had the PCZ, the reaction, and now maybe the reversal. Because interesting way to look at it. Confirmation low at the PCZ. Could be good. We'll see. Really, really tough on this one. This one's kind of a Rubik's Cube, right? Okay, then Binance Coin is fine. Everything's fine on Binance above $430. Everything's fine, right? Because that is an inflection point that is extremely important. That goes back to April, to June, to August, to September, and now has been officially back tested and regarded as support yesterday, as right. So again, just another time, and that's maybe a confirmation low. I mean, or like that is like the confirmation market participants are looking for, just that scam wick, just to go down to test it as support. And now it's time to run and hit the measured move of the confirmed inverse head and shoulders, and you know, hitting the second, third, and fourth targets of the trade setup eventually, which the trade setup entry was around 344 to 348. Was this all cause of an Elon tweet, chat, or was it futures just opening? What did Elon say? Anyone know? One sec. Got the Nigerian watching the stream right now, trying to scam y'all. He's out there, man. Let's see. What did he say? He posted, what is that? It's like a alien. Oh, it's a dog. Is it Doge? I don't understand.
Happy birthday again, lol.
Oh, it's a Doge. Okay.
Awesome dip smile.
What's up, Gustavo? Man, yeah, we'll look at We'll look at OHM. Sure, dude. Okay. How do you know what it is? Stop acting like you know that it's this or that. Elon posts these, you know, these cryptic messages that you don't truly know. And only shills would say it's Shiba coin. You don't know, dude. You want it to go up. That's why you say that. Give me a break. Okay. Little sore. Yeah, man. What a rough night. Okay, so B&B covered. We got some requests now, huh? I think we do. Storage, no. No. It looks like Manimal wanted VeChain, so we'll go to VeChain first. I think he was the first. Well, I think F1 stat. No, he didn't even request anything. What's up, Valley Vet?
Happy B-Day.
Happy birthday to me. You get one of these. It's good to do a better day. Roll Tide. Hail to Pit. Thank you, dude.
Lunar moon mission. Full moon with face.
Nigerian scammer, you're banned. Go ahead and create another account because you're a loser. You'll always be a loser, no matter what. Okay? Thank you, JS, for the $20 super chat. And for the merchandise purchase. Sorry, hold on. Where's it at? Thank you, Valley Vet. Yep. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, dude. How about that, man? Iowa. Pretenders. Wrecked. That's what happens. Yeah, and Nicholas D, thank you so much for becoming an annual patron today. On my birthday. That's freaking best birthday present ever, man. Thank you so much. Cheers. Unbelievable. Could please get some hype in the chat for freaking Nicholas D. Crazy, man. Super, super grateful for just all this love and support. It's unreal, dude. Okay, all right, so yes, VeChain was, I believe, the first one. Yeah. VeChain at 1%. Doing that same Momo shifting behavior, right?
$31.59. Happy birthday, man. Can we check out big on the TSE? Thanks.
Sure, Phil. Thank you, man. Thank you. We will. Okay. So VeChain attempting to breach its neckline, and the eventual target would be pretty much a continuation of the uptrend it's been in for a long time, where it would take it to 16.5 cents. But at that level, I mean, it's just like contextually, there's nothing there until like 20 to 25 cents. So this could be monsoon stuff. Like it could be going much, much higher if this actually plays out, because you look left and yeah, that's it. I mean, you're gonna test 15.3 cents because there's a high from June 4th and now another high from September 6th. Yeah, that's real. That'll be tested. But I'm thinking like above 13.3 cents. That's where a lot of really good things could happen to VeChain. So the course is pretty clear. This one looks like it could be headed for a lot more upside, assuming Bitcoin doesn't just crash and go bearish. Everything's good for VeChain and a lot of other altcoins.
Happy birthday, brother. Can you look at Meta, MTA?
What's up, Joe? Thanks for the 20. Yeah, we'll look at MTA. Thanks, man. Thanks. Yep. Okay. So that's your VeChain. So obligatory.
VeChain doing things.
Sweet. Next request. Gustav, I don't know what WAGMI is. What is WAGMI? WAGMI. Acronym for something, right? Okay, 15 left. Wow. So 10 of these NFTs have sold. Crazy, man.
Just to say happy birthday from Belfast, Northern Ireland. Thanks for the videos, new subscriber since last week and really enjoying the streams.
Well, Graham, thanks for the pounds, mate. And it's a little late over there. It's getting a little late. Hopefully you're in bed watching me so you can get some good sleep for the week at hand, right? It's coming. So thank you, man. Much love. I'm glad you found me. Keep investing in yourself. That's all I can tell you. You keep investing in yourself, you will destroy your peers. You will own them. That's it. Because guess what? Your peers, like everyone around you, say you leave, you go to the store, say you leave, you go to work, or you go somewhere else, you invest in yourself. If you're investing in yourself every day, you're dominating them. And that's the world we live in, unfortunately, right? It's the game of capitalism, the game of competition. They're all competitors, man, so you might as well go beat them out. Beat them out, chat. Do it. Okay. Oh, we're going to make it. Gotcha. Thank you, dude, for the clarification on what that meant. Yes, we are going to make it, dude. We've already made it, man. But we can always ascend higher. That's for real. Okay. Next request was storage to BTC, not even the US dollar. People have concerns. What? Someone actually... Oh, someone... Yeah, okay. So it's storage to US dollar. Wait. Okay. Sorry. DraftKings. Let's look at DraftKings. That's we're doing this in order. DraftKings looking ugly, like bear flagging pretty bad. I don't see any sort of harmonic structure here. This is ugly, and I don't know if it makes any sense to long until the asset gets down to 44.60 to 43.13, right? Critical level inflection. You are in territory where nothing happens but straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. Straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. So this is probably going straight down. And if it doesn't, it would be doing something it's never done, where it's reversing literally right here. So I would not be touching this until $43 to $44. What's up, Dave McCoy? Canvas prints purchase needed to complete my set. Thanks. Thank you, dude, for all the support. All right. Much love. Yes, good old bear pole, bear flag combination. It's a beautiful pattern, too. That looks so ugly, right? It's ugly if you're bullish. It's beautiful if it's bearish. Dude, let's go, Nick. 232 freaking dollars.
Happy birthday, Maui, Koala.
Good Lord.
Hype in the chat!
Well, that's the single largest contribution of the day. Boom. Nick coming in, firing out the big guns. Thank you, man. Cheers. And glad you're a part of the community, dude. Okay, so that's DraftKings. Ugly, and let's wait to see. Maybe there's a gap fill, certainly at $46. Probably going to happen. That gap's probably going to fill, dude. Probably not going to act support, though. I think, look, you can see the zone of inflection. That's probably where it's headed. Got to move on. So no action to take if you're bullish. Maybe if you're bearish, hey, Normally you want to be at the top of the flag. That's the optimum area to go short, at the top of the bear flags if you're lucky enough. Because this could bounce, go halfway, and then dump again, and then you're underwater if you go short right now, if you were buying puts right now. So, anytime someone's trying to go short on something or trying to buy puts and, on something bearish, they're looking for the top of the consolidation structure, not the bottom. So, let's go North Oz, the first annual patron of all time, by the way. Dang, man. Boom.
Happy birthday, the North remembers.
The North remembers. So does the South, dude. I'm telling you. They remember too. Thank you, man. Holy crap. Much love. Don't know how much my little heart can take. All right, storage. Yes, storage might as well just be ticker disappointment to the US dollar. Yeah, I know. I get it. Disappointment to the US dollar. Yes, but still above the inflection point. It's still held. It was showing divergence, confirmation low, and Bitcoin dumps. And this one's like, I'm going to dump too because I'm literally storage. What good am I to this world? You're not. You're nothing. You're a joke. But hey, maybe you were doing... You know how many assets will regard levels like this as support and then go absolutely berserk and go up like 50%? Yeah, lots do. So why would this one not? It could. It still could. Even with this crazy scamminess going on, it could very well still hold in the moon later. So I don't know. Like anything above 124 to 129 is bullish as F. You have to be bullish. And below it, yeah, it's not good. It's really bad. Really bad below this level that you're not below right now. So that's all I can tell you for now. It's hanging on by a thread. What's up, Bull Legends Crypto? Thanks for the 23 repeating, of course. Thank you, man. Thank you. Holy crap. Much love. All right, so that's it. That's storage, Next request was birthday boy choice. Okay. Birthday boy choice. Wow. Let me think here. Let me check my notes. Or something we were looking at that was pretty good. Let's see here. Let's look at Pundy Coin, man, to piss everyone off. Okay, let's see. What about NKN? I posted about this 2 days ago. It looked like an inverse head and shoulders on NKN, right? It was like everyone. Nice uptrend with potential inverse head and shoulders. Okay, NKN. What happened to that? Did it play out or... Oh my god. Why don't even tell me about this? Don't even say anything about it. Yeah, it played out. What the... Unbelievable. Dude, what's up, Near Moon Boy? Or Todd P? Thanks, man.
Happy birthday, Mitch man. As always, thanks for all you do. Learning more every day. Cheers and much love.
Thanks, man. Holy crap. And I just keep learning, dude. I'm telling you, just keep learning. Keep investing in yourself. It'll all work out. I'm telling you, in the end. So, like, this was posted 2 days ago to all patrons. If you're a patron, you received this ping and you were given the warning, right? The warning. That's it. Like, wow, look at the way this chart looks. Holy crap. Before, and then 2 days later, after. Beautiful. So that's my wild card. So a little bit of hindsight, but it was identified before all that happened. The insanity occurred. So welcome to technical analysis playing out. It's nice, man. It doesn't always play out. You can get failures. And I never said that I knew it was going to play out. It's like when you identify these structures, these momentum shifting structures, after successful backtest of old levels of inflection as support, very magical things can happen, and it did this time. But the thing is, trader's market. So it hit the target like once or twice. Look where traders settled up. You won't even believe it. Sure, you got intra-candle price action, the wicks, but look where the actual candle close was, like right at that measured move. And since then, it's been dumping. It's beautiful. So good. Okay. That's it. Sweet. All right, so next request was storage to Bitcoin. All right. Oh my god, dude. So many scammers. Sorry, dude. I'm getting rid of this. We're good. Alright. So next request. Ooh, it's absolutely gross. Oh, it's so nasty, man. Alright, let me go the daily on this because it's so bad. Dang, dude, you just like... Oof. Hard enough trading the US dollar pair on this one, I guess, right? Breaking in support, it seems. Dang, dude. Well, breaking the wick high. Let's go the candle high close right there. Yeah, so you're just like now in the zone of inflection. And yeah, I don't know. Not really that good. It's a nice harmonic here, maybe. But yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I would tell you this. Like, this is your major level. That's your major level on storage, and you're in it. So hopefully it can hold. I don't know. I mean, like, yeah, is there a harmonic? What'd you ask? We're gonna see the D-wave bullish shark. Yeah, I see the M shape. I know what you're talking about. It's kind of really weird. It's like really 70%, and then it's like it's 886 is. Look at that, man. The 886 is the bottom of the zone. So yeah, I mean, maybe you catch a nice reaction there in Moon. That'd be great, but. Like the US dollar pair could hold fine, and this still sucks because it's Bitcoin's time now, right? As long as like we don't even need to. I mean, yeah, maybe this is implying like if it pivots here, it could rally. Yeah, sure, but just all you gotta do is pay attention to storage. Is that US dollar inflection point? If it holds, bullish. If it doesn't, forget about it. Move on with your life. It sucks, right? It's all about the ifs. Okay. Okay, we got a shark. We got an inflection zone. Maybe the PCZ holds and it outperforms Bitcoin temporarily. Next request was OXT. We looked at it yesterday. It was requested yesterday too. 23% up, right? Where it's like...
Sorry, forgot to ask. Do you use wick on OHM when considering higher lows on the 4 hours chart? Or just the body of the candle?
Thank you, dude. Anonymous, thanks for the merchandise purchase. The merchandise. Thank you, dude. Real estate goose, thanks, man. I don't know. When we look at it, we'll talk about it. So OXT that was like it pulled back after hitting an inflection point has now mooned back up to that inflection point again, and it's not above it. It did break above it earlier, but has since pulled back and is below it. It's not above it right now. So if you get above it, you think it's very real possibility OXT sees 75 cents again. Sure, but it's not right now. It's nice though. It's in an uptrend, a low, a higher low, a higher low, a higher low. About the same low from before, and now higher lows, just consecutive higher lows. It's really good. Long term, you're probably okay holding this, you know, because it just keeps doing that. So much accumulation signature here, right? It's just above the 200-day moving average now. Officially above the 200-day moving average with candle close for the first time since May 26th, but that was a joke. It literally dumped right after. So. It's been a while since this 200-day moving average has really been conquered. You're at 80 now on the RSI, highest level RSI and OXT since February. February when, where was it? I guess you're right here when OXT was hitting 79 cents. Yep. I believe that was like a trade setup way back. Dude, this one was giving us all kinds of problems though. It's like 886. Nah, it's going to 100% retrace. Okay. OHM's the next one. Wow. This one, dude. You want to talk about TA being respected harder than you could ever imagine it. Yeah, 886, the XABCD. Right there. I mean, we could do an analysis on this and you wouldn't believe it. Like the timestamp of OHM. We're like, don't be surprised if this asset's down 60%. You know, if you don't take profit here, you're not trading, you're not doing anything, you're just holding some coin, some speculative S coin after a huge run up, and you'll probably just, you know, if the market turns around bearishly, you'll just own this till it goes to freaking negative or zero, right? I mean, if you don't sell at an 886 or at least take some profit. So I know that person did, though. They said they did. The day it was at the 886 testing it. We talked about it, and then boom, wrecked. So from that PCZ, from that area of profit taking, it lost 54% of its value.
$22.21. Happy birthday, Mitch. Best wishes to you. Can we take a look at Terra, LUNA? Thank you always for your knowledge. 0.005830000 ETH.
Thank you, Austin. We will look at that. Much love, Luna. Yep. Someone also requested Luna already, so we're gonna double look at Luna. Oh, back to OXT just for a second to look at the weekly because it was in their contribution. Weekly, map that MACD. Oh, it's gorgeous, man. It's 58.78. Yeah, the upside potential on this is unreal. I mean, this is chat. You don't even get it. OXT could be going to $2 at some point in the future. I'm not kidding. This thing looks so stupid on the weekly, where you're double bottoming. You're confirming the double bottom out, and it's like a higher low, right? So you had the lows here, and then the confirmation. Right, that the bottom's in. Yeah, this like bullish engulfing candle on the weekly. You see what it's testing. The weekly candle high close from December of 2019. Eventually, I'm talking like $2 probably. Yep. Yes. Extremely bullish long term on OXT based on this structure, on this very significant time scale. Patience though. That's it. Hidden bullish divergence. Dang. From one low to the higher low with lower levels of relative strength and higher levels negative Momo, yeah. Yeah, I like it, dude. A lot. Okay, that's OXT. Very, very good weekly. Wow. Next one. Coincidentally, was Luna. It was requested again. A duplicating request. We got another NFT sold, so there are only now 14 available. This will be burned by tomorrow, right? The birthday weekly candle close record NFT. So get it while you can, if you want it. It's okay. So Luna, yeah, we identified a harmonic structure, not in the best context. It's not dead yet. It's not a dead idea, and you know. It's there. It's an M shape, and it's sitting at the PCZ still. You know, right? Is it doing some sort of confirmation low, like Cardano? It's very similar to Cardano locally, M shape, and just at the M shape, and not really doing anything. So, as long as this, all right. So it's all about the ifs. If Luna stays above 3350, I think all is well. There's no problems on Luna. It's going to continue. It's going to make a higher low and continue up to all-time highs. Right? It'll just keep going. So that's it.
Hey brother, happy birthday. Liking what I'm seeing on Mir. Can we check it out? Thanks.
Yeah, dude. MIR looks great. Thought we had discussed how good it looked. But we will look at it, yes. Sorry, dude. Eyes a little heavy. Your purchase has not gone through. What if the NFT did? Fret not. Fret not. There's still 14 available, so it's okay. All right. Next request. Is BIGG, Toronto Stock Exchange, or not? It's not on the Toronto Stock Exchange, right? Canadian Stock Exchange. We look at it in Canadian Stock Exchange, it's fine. All right, BIGG. No support looking left, really. Trying to bottom out, I guess. Yeah, I mean, it looks like momentum's trying to shift. It looks like you broke some sort of supply line locally, right? Like right there.
Happy birthday, Mitch. Could you suggest where you would take profits from XPR, Proton, recent move? Thanks for all.
Daniel, we'll look at it, man. Yeah, we discussed targets with weekly candle closes, but I think it's like exceeded that. It's unreal. I mean, it's actually not unreal. It's like literally extremely real, right? XPR. Imagine ever being surprised about XPR. Like, no one even knew that existed, and someone requested it a long time ago. We paid attention to it, and it looked like Ethereum when it was at like $300, when it was double bottoming. It was like, this is it, man. This one's incredible. This thing could double in value or triple in value from where it is right now, and it is, and it has. Yeah, it was an incredible chart, and it's played out unbelievably well. So yeah, I think we got a level here. You know, you think about like the high from August 2017 and the lows from February this year, and you're above it, and you're above the candle open from May 12th, and you've broken the supply line. So I don't think we can say momentum shifted yet. I mean, you're making a double bottom, but it's not confirmed. You are not making higher highs yet, and you are certainly not breaking the 200-day simple moving average. So I think anything above $1 is okay on this. If you fall below $1, that's where things could start getting really scary. As you can see, looking left, there's like no data. It's like straight up, straight down, straight up stuff. So if $1 doesn't hold, it could lose 40% of its value probably. Even though it did bottom out at random spots like this. I don't know if this was much of a support here. So just know, I mean, if it stays above $1 or 118, it's really good. It needs to eventually make a higher high than 163, right? And then eventually you'd like to see, all right, what do we want? We want to see assets make consecutive higher highs, higher lows. And that's what helps us gain confirmation that the trend is still going. Right now we haven't made a higher high yet, nor have we made a higher low, right, locally. Now you can say these lows are substantially higher than previous lows from January, from the beginning of the year. Yes. But let's get a higher high, higher low locally. And that's what you need for that short-term, mid-term uptrend argument. But yeah, it looks fine. It's above critical levels. It's above $1 and $1.18. So you're good for now until that breaks below. All right. Next request. It's an S-coin. Nice. I've never heard of this S-coin. Yes, I have. I've been here. I don't know how, man. Well, I think the argument was, hey, you were below 82.9 cents, and if you ever got back above it, you were okay. It'd be nice. This is what we want to see here. What we want to see on MTA is the assets somehow successfully come and backtest the spring. That would be an entry for a long. You're trying to confirm a bottom here. I mean, it's done it before. Look, one bottom, second bottom, moon. One bottom, second bottom, lowest low ever. And that's why a backtest of a spring would be so nice here. It'd be so perfect for a long. Because you don't know. I mean, is the bottom in? Let's get some confirmation that 83 cents is support again, right? That's what we're looking for. It may never happen. And yes, it does look like you are trying. Market participants are trying to say that a bottom is in for now. But confirmation's always, like, just increases your chances of it playing out the way you're strategizing, right? It's easy to set up a stop loss. So if someone takes a long now, right? Right now, say someone's like, I'm going to go long at 105. What happens? I mean, like, where do you have your stop loss if it goes down to 82 cents to go just simply back test a reasonable area? It would lose. You would be down 21% on your position going long now if it just went down to do something extremely normal that's not a big deal, that's amazing, and then going long. So, yeah, that's where I'm at on it. I think it could be anything above 82.9 cents is very good. I think you could eventually see $1.78, but eventually. So come give me the spring back test, and then we'll be in really good shape. That's what you're looking for on MTA. If you want a strategic long entry where it's easy to set up a stop loss, that's what you want. You want it to lose 20% of its value and then go. All right. Next request is Bitcoin is at $61,300 with 1 hour to go. The last 60 minutes of the entire week, where in 60 minutes, it will be the highest weekly candle close of all time if all stays where we are right now. Next request. Well, we just looked at Luna Austin, you know. All right, so next one was MIR. I think we're catching up on these requests. Yeah, MIR, man. It's like on the daily, it's below the levels it needs to be above. It needs to get back above 327, 350. It's failed again and again. Like, what's going on? But at the same time, confirmation lows look really good. Like, where's my data? What the heck, man? Hold on. Maybe it's on Coinbase? It is on Coinbase, yes. Here it is. Okay, this is MIR. That had a really nice beginning and is now pulling back, and everything's fine until it falls below, I think, 270. Right? It's okay. It's still at these lower risk areas, maybe for a re-entry to test one's luck, but it just can't break 329, and that's everything, man. That's such a big deal. So MIR is still like not dead. It's okay. It's just underperforming
Hey,
Bitcoin
Mitch.
bad.
I hope you had a nice birthday many years to come. Smile. Can we look at Suitor/USDT? Thanks, man.
We will look at Suitor. Thank you, Reddit, for the 20. It's been good birthday so far. Y'all are making it a lot better. I appreciate that. Fun times with my peoples. I don't know if there's any other place I'd rather be when my birthday falls on the highest weekly candle close of all time. That's so cool, man. Like, who can say that? Who can be like, on their literal birthday, this is happening, this type of history? It's so cool. You know, you get them. It happens. It's just not frequent. What's going on? I'm getting Ping City over here. Spaceball, thanks for the server boost in the Discord. All y'all need to join the Discord if you're not a part of it. Okay, that's it. It's still active. It's still okay. It's not out. It ran up and was very close to a profit taking level. Huh? How about that? But you just got to be able to break the very real May 23rd low, and you haven't done it yet. You can't do it. So sucks. All right, XPR. Well, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. $61,248 being tested and tested and tested over and over and over. Like, we haven't really got a candle close back above it since, it's been many bars. Which one? Here we go. All right, so XPR. Asking, what did he say? Suggests taking profits because of the recent move. Well, thinking eventually this asset will see 6 cents. The highest weekly candle close of all time has exceeded it was the second highest weekly candle close of all time till recently. That was the breakout point. Well, really the breakout point was down here. And we knew if it broke 0.9 of 1 cent, it would run to 2.2 cents. It did that. And then shortly after, broke that and has doubled up again in price. Like, holy crap, it pays to be in the Patreon because this was all identified. Watching the stream, it pays because this is all looked at and talked about here. Sorry, dude, I'm still getting over the Aggie land fever. Anyway, so yeah, thinking 6 cents eventually. But there's the wick high here. I think some profit probably should have definitely been taken, right? If we're talking about even here, just like being up 450% in a month or less, yeah, reasonable time at any time to be taking profit, especially when you're at this wick. But I do think 6.1 cents will be tested, and if that ever breaks, well, you're going to 7.4 cents on XPR. It's wild, man. What a wild chart. Okay, that's it. It's XPR.
Ancre day higher highs plus MACD bullish divergence. Good entry, Mitch.
What's up, Samir, man? We'll look at it. Thank you, dude, for the 20. Yeah, we'll look. Okay. Oh, very nice looking chart here on the weekly. Dude, man, are you kidding me? Suitor. I like suitors. Okay, chat. I think suitors going moon at some point. Oh, yeah. Holy crap, man. Spring back test of spring on the weekly for suitor. Nice find on this S coin I've never heard of in my life on KuCoin. Right there. That's a morning star. Reversal. You have an old candle low close from March of last year, 2020. And you can clearly see it's a very real level. It was once resistance a bunch of times, support, and then support, and now is support again. This is very good. The upside potential on this asset, even from where it is right now, 9/10 of 1 cent from where it is. And then after that, 1.5 cents. And then after that, probably 2.2 cents. Yes, the upside on Suitor is incredible. You are at very good levels. That's it. This is great. One could just go long on Suitor and hold it for a couple months probably and be insanely higher in value based on this chart right here. Looks very, very good. You understand, chat? Happy birthday to yourself if one probably holds this for 2 months. Okay. Clip that. So I want to clip this. What more do you want from me? Like, I can't lie. This is incredible on the weekly. Holy crap. I love Suitor here. I love Suitors. Totals and Suitors. And Whisker and Doodads. Or Whisker and Doodads. I don't know. Next request is the last one that's been requested. So let's check it out. Well, Anchor, we had identified the bullish. It's a Gartley-Bartley, but an inverse Gartley-Bartley, where it should be a bat, but it's a. I don't know. Did I anchor right here? I guess yeah. Yeah. It's like where it should have been a bat, but it didn't go to the 886, but confirmed the bottom of the 786. And it's continuously making another higher low right now. So you're saying this is good entry level. All right, you just made some really nasty hidden bearish divergence on the daily. It's developing anyway. But what is it that sticks out? I mean, like, how deep? I'd love to see if you wanted the best entry, like from the low to high here. I think you'd probably want to see the 786, 6.7 cents again. But you're probably like, hey, is this an inverse head and shoulders 2 develop? I don't know. I mean, maybe. What'd you say? It's 3 higher highs. 3 day, he says. He wants to look at the 3 day. Whoops, what the? Huh? Three-day bullish convergence. It looks really good. Holy crap. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, the optimum entry was right here, 5.5 cents, I guess, right? Confirmation list started running. Is there like a demand line or something, you know? Dang, man, there is a freaking demand line from the low and then this one touch and then another touch and now you're touching again, you're holding it. Yeah, I mean, and then your stop, if you were trying to play this on Anchor, I think the only way, you play the 3 day and one just has a stop loss like just a little bit below 7.2 cents. Like this previous low established right here. That's all you can do, I think, if you were trying to go long on this. Okay, that's it. This nice uptrend. Holding a demand line for sure. Okay, well, just make sure one's always protecting themselves with stop losses, you know. That's it. My Rarible link is down. What? 4 more purchases. Is that fake news? That's fake news. My Rarible link is certainly up. There are only 11 left, chat. 11 of 25 of these special edition NFTs. So, and they will certainly be burned soon. Like, you know, by the end of the day. Or like when my birthday ends. Midnight tonight, I guess. Yes, Samir, that's all you can do. I don't even know. This isn't really like a conventional, amazing entry for a trade setup, but if you're strategizing a demand line and it just successfully held the demand line, then that's the only reasonable stop one would have. That's it. Bitcoin is now at its highest level We're about just dollars away from the highest level of the frickin' day. Where at one point today, Bitcoin was down to a price of $58,950. It's now at $61,433. Unreal price action from the corn. I don't know, dude, because when I click, when I refresh my Rarible like this, like that, it plays out. It works. I'm literally doing that. Look at this link. Someone tell me if I'm being trolled here. Someone click that link. I don't care if you buy it. Just click it and say it works or it doesn't work. And, you know, be truthful. Have integrity. Wow. Yeah, all right. So that's it. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's look at the 3-day on Bitcoin. That is really nice. Wow, man. That hidden divergence on the 3-day really played out, didn't it? But here we are, just at the level where Moon, yeah, now we're definitely at work, dude. This thing's going. It's definitely at the highs of the day.
Dude, party popper, champagne bottle.
Is that a joint?
I think it's got a mic for 420 and the birthday wishes. All right, beautiful. So all we can do is just look at inflection points at this point. Just go to the 4-hour and you can see, right? You held 60K, which is a high. It is. It's like we talked about it yesterday. It's like a high from March 19th and a high from April 1st. April Fool's Day, the canary was born. We got you, dude. Scott Carney and me got all of y'all with that canary. That is kind of like real, though, because it happens to play out a lot. I don't know. It's weird. Anyway, so it held that level, and now it's just right back at the March 13th high. If you can break it, you're probably going to go test all-time highs, which is almost $65,000, right? Just look what's above this level. Nothing really. It's pretty incredible, I would say. Pretty incredible stuff. And this would be a bullish engulfing candle if all things were confirmed in 47 minutes on the 4-hour anyway. How do I, what do I do for 47 minutes though? We had a lot of requests. Everything was good. So we'll just go through what we'll do. Canary NFT exists. So look at this. I'll go, can't break that 184. 184 happens to be an old all-time high back in February. It's like confirming a top there on a lower high. I hate that on Algo. That's not really good. This recent price action sucks on Algo, even though it does look really nice here. You know, broke a supply line, creating a beautiful harmonic, bullish divergence. But the most recent price action's pathetic. I hate it. I hate seeing confirmation highs after it's made consecutive lower highs before it, which it's doing. So just be careful on Algo. It had a really nice run, but it's doing something really crappy right now locally. I hate that. You better pivot and run now, soon. Stop confirming a top on the 4-hour. Okay. Come on, man. What's she doing, Algo? All right. What about Band? Band also scamming Wiccan, right? But still very well off the level of inflection that if you stay above this long enough, you're going to 964, 1150, and then eventually almost $15. Everything's good on Band right now. What about Bat? We haven't looked at Bat in a while. It's been a crappy performer, man. It's just stuck, dude. Been really stuck. But has held inflection points and well off them. And yeah, not making higher highs locally. Doesn't really look that great. Doesn't look actionable for an amazing long right now. On Bat, meh. Bitcoin Cash had that, we didn't know if it was a brief on peaks or a bull flag. It broke out of the what seems to be a bull flag and is now like back testing the breakout as support and hammering.
Can you check out C Crypto Initial Capital Out Thoughts?
What's up, JPI? Thank you, man, for the birthday wishes. CEEK? Is that a crypto man?
Thank you man for your time and effort teaching the great art of harmonics. I have learned a substantial amount since subbing a year ago. Let's look at XLM, my bullish long. Consolidating for a while in a range.
What's up, Bull Legends Crypto, man? Thanks for the 22. Thanks for investing in yourself, man. Seriously. Wow. What the heck? Are y'all like in the same chat together, Eddie and Bull Legends? I'm talking within, what was that? Within a second or two of the contributions. One's asking for XLM to the US dollar. One's asking for XLM to Bitcoin. What is this, the XLM show? You're gonna piss off Alex Cobb in the XRP army. They're gonna get mad, dude. They're gonna be gunning for y'all, so be careful. It's a crazy world. Yes, we will look at this, certainly. All right, so we have a couple more NFTs that have sold. There are now only 9 left, I believe. Yes, 9 of the 25. So, actually running out. We've only been live for 1 hour and 4 minutes, and there are only 9 left. That's pretty amazing. So, thank y'all. Okay, so maybe Bitcoin Cash can get back above 617. It's really kind of struggling here, isn't it? But that's a nice candle developing right now with Bitcoin underperforming, obviously, down 2.31%. Altcoin's just not having a good time right now. Bitcoin is... All right, do we need to, like, just before we get to more of these requests, right? Bitcoin dominance. This is the chart. This is like why is my altcoin not pumping, man? Why? It's like, dude, Bitcoin dominance over multiple years lost 88% of its value. A complex wave structure, and then even locally, another complex wave structure where there was an 886 within an 886, and it's pumping. It's above the 200-day moving average for the first freaking time, really since like early February. Do you get how real this is? This was like what the DXY was doing. So this is why your altcoin's struggling some right now, because Bitcoin, more money going into Bitcoin at a faster rate than these altcoins right now. That's it. So you could imagine in these low risk areas why it's just going to be really tough for any altcoin to outperform Bitcoin for a while. Okay? Cause and effect. This is an actual trade setup. Well off the entry now. And I think this could go to 50%, 53%. And if things get crazy, we're going 88K to 100K, 60% market cap dominance again, possibly on Bitcoin. Yep. Major level of inflection up there. Okay. Don't be surprised. This is what happens, Larry. And that's why we have it.
You see what happens, Larry?
Beautiful. Okay, next request. Let's see. It was CEEK. Is this an S coin? It's a real S coin. Or are you talking about to wrapped ether? Ugh. I mean, yeah, maybe it's bottoming out, man, but it's up 94% today, so why would you even request it? This is not a high-quality request. I certainly am grateful for the contribution, but if we're talking about everyone benefiting in the stream, this is a terrible request, actually. You know, like, what do you want me to do? It's the dead middle of a range. It's up almost 100% today, and that's it. So if it ever breaks 11 or 116,154, it could go launch to much higher levels. That's it, dude. What do you want from me here? What do you want? All right, let me one sec. The lowest risk areas down at around 10,000, and highest risk area is 116,000. Really high risk. When the asset is in the dead middle of a range, there's no action. There's no action to take on this at all. So, okay. I think the next one was XLM. Yep, XLM US dollar. Yeah, I know, the buzzing. I don't know, man. Like, what am I supposed to do? What do I even do, man? What I need to do is do a private stream and have my headphones on so I can hear my stream, and then I'll maybe be able to fix it or something. that way. So old XLM, man. A lot of support resistance, a lot of inflection points.
Bong rip.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Benjamin, for the 420. So this is what you're looking for on. This is like another cipher, like I think a cipher, right? From the low to high, it was not quite there. It didn't get to the 786. It made it like a 75%, maybe even 76% retrace. But the main area to watch for on your favorite S coin is 41 cents. When 41 cents breaks, probability is high, it goes up to 52 cents. So the upside potential on XLM, if it breaks 41 cents, which just yesterday it tested and could not break that major level, the upside potential minimum is 26%. If it ever breaks 52 cents and goes up to another major inflection point, you're talking about 43% upside on this asset. So major long-term uptrend. Bottomed out after a pretty deep retrace and now made another higher low and is running again. And then once you break this high from January, off to 52 cents most likely. 52 cents, and then after that, 58 cents. I think 52 cents goes back from history. I don't know. Dude, oh my face is itching, dude. What the heck? It was like the weekly. Oh, this looks unreal on the weekly, chat. Holy crap. This is very strong. XLM, if one's owning XLM and they hold it for the next 2 to 3 months, they'll probably be up substantially. Yes. What you're doing right now is clear forms of accumulation in an undeniable long-term uptrend, and you're now just butting up against a sell wall. And once that absorption of remaining supply occurs, boom, gone. I mean, this could be setting up for all-time highs, or its highest level, at least on this chart, right? Yep. It's above the old highs from 2018. Yes, we have a confirmation low developing on a weekly time scale, and it's extremely higher than the previous one. This is a very, very bullish asset. Please hear my words speaking to you right now, okay? I know there's a lot of lines here. These are a lot, dude, there's a lot of inflection points on this asset, okay? So this is it. Buckle up on XLM for the next 3 months. And come back to me, clip this even, and be like 3 months later, hey man, remember that time you were talking about XLM 3 months ago and now it's like $1, it's worth $1 now or something? Oh yeah. I mean, I think like from where you are now, minimum target 70 cents. I wouldn't be touching this. If I owned this asset, I would not be taking profit till 70 cents. Okay, that's it. Sweet. And now we'll look at XLM to BTC to see if we can strengthen this weekly argument on the US dollar pairing. Great, perfect. Oh my God. Chat, look at this.
Matthew D tipped $34. Happy birthday, man. I'd be interested to see a chart size up on Omnius index chart. Thanks.
What's up, Matthew D, man? Thanks for the birthday wishes. Much love coming in at the 34. Do you see this, Matthew D? You saw what we looked at on the weekly on XLM US dollar. Now look at this success, this potential.
Crypto Plumber tipped $22.66. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. 0.123300000 LTC.
Crypto Plumber, thanks for 2266. The like on contribution, much love, man. Okay, so Crypto Plumber, Matthew D, you see in this, this argument is strengthening the US dollar trade for the position trade. We're talking one owns XLM for 3 months, 2 months, but it might get there faster. But I'm saying within a 2 to 3 month window, we'll be at 70 cents probably. This strengthens the argument substantially. Why? Look at it. It sprung back above a major inflection point from September of 2019. It sprung January of this year. It is now finally back testing the spring right now this week for the first time. This requires Jesus chimes because the upside, you understand, it holds here. It runs up to 949 sats. You know what that means. It's outperforming the living crap out of Bitcoin, and it's probably going to like 50, 60, 70 cents to the US dollar. Yes. Wonderful. XLM looks great. And the XRP army is pissed. All right. Wow. what else is there to talk about? What else can I even say now? I mean, like, this is it. This is all I can do for you. Just give you the crypto weather here. All right. Crypto weather. All right. It's like conditions are extremely favorable for a bullish tornado on XLM. Could be even a bullish freaking hurricane. Okay.
I told ya, XLM Army strong.
But here's the thing, man. Like, you know, crypto, like, you could... There's a lot of cryptos that set up and primed similarly to XLM. So... Dude, let's go, Nick. The 161.8 contribution. The golden mean ratio, man. Thank you, dude.
Nick Smarty tipped $161.80. Happy birthday, King. Thank you much for everything you do. The work you do helping others like myself understand these concepts and trading are truly a great human. Thank you for all your hard work and dedication. 0.042294578.
Thank you, man, for the really, really kind words. Those kind words were nicer than the money you just gave me, dude. Holy crap. Don't make me cry. Tears of joy, of happiness. Thank you, dude. This community is unbelievable, dude. I don't even know. Like, such a blessing.
Russ super chatted $36.90. Happy birthday, Mitch. Please cover the hex zip so we can all celebrate in our own ways. Happy birthday, smiley face.
If you want Hex, we'll look at Hex, man.
What are the targets on XLM BTC?
First target, 950. 950. I don't know, weekly though. I don't know. Let's see. That's the range, right? But then you have like this candle high close back from freaking 2014. You know, I think 856 would be your first target. 949, and then on the weekly, dang man. Why is this plotted? Looking at the weekly, it's not really that significant. It's like, where would the peak be? Would it be, that's it. It's like 1092. Then you get above 1092. That, like anything above 1100 sats or whatever, XL into BTC, that's where insane things happen. That's where like, whoa, you go straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. That's where crazy things happen. And you're far away from that. You got a long way to go. But before you even get to that major critical area, there is 75% upside on this pairing. So this is the level I think you want to hold. A spring, a back test of a spring. Anyway, okay. Thanks, Eddie. So the next request was for Matthew D, I believe. Let's see here. Yep. Yep.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Not much down on that one. I've been here before. What the heck? Yeah, dude, look at this. Old fib. Yeah, this thing's just been going really well. And it's just been moving. Last time we were really looking at it was like, I think we talked about like the high to low. It hit the 1618 and pulled back and pivoted, back tested old resistance as support, and then went again. And now it's hit a 23618, and it just recently like reversed there and then rallied to test 2618 as resistance, and it's just sideways. I mean, like, what's the... Oh, you want me to look at another exchange? Hold on. Oh, I've been here before too. Way more data. Thank you. All right, sweet. So sizing up, you have broken a level from April of this year, trying to hold it as support, but certainly no value. Right, no value at all here. The time, you know, the time to be asking about this asset was down here in August, right, where you sprung, you back tested the spring, and it's just higher lows, and you just going, and now you've broken the resistance over and over, and you're back testing resistance as support, and now you're trying to do it again, trying to hold that level. And if you ever broke that and held it successfully, the next area you think it would head to would be 9.1 cents. Right, very nice uptrend, undeniable. It's a very, very nice uptrend. I love that higher low, right? The lowest low, then a higher low, and then the spring back. That's so good, man. So good. And now you don't know. It's Bearish divergence, undeniable triple RSI bearish divergence on this one, so I would be careful, right? That's anytime, you know, you showing bearish divergence on both oscillators on a daily time scale, it's just not great, you know. It's, look at that, that's gross. So buyers look a little exhausted on this S coin, so if this doesn't hold 6.8 tenths of 1 cent, you know it's going down to 5 tenths of 1 cent again. So just be careful and understand that exists on a daily time scale for OMI. Okay. Buyers are a little exhausted. All right. Next one was actually Hex, and that we're caught up, man. Old Hex wrecked, and still getting wrecked. Couldn't hold the support. Distribution, momentum shifted, and you're rolling over, and there's no real formal support until 17.5 to 20 cents. That's it. Like where you are now, there's nothing here looking left. If it revert, now there was something on the 4 hour, right? It was the butterfly. You're now getting near that. You didn't quite hit it yet, but you're near the 1.618, the maximum threshold of the pattern completion zone. So, right. No edge, certainly no edge. Nothing's implying a reversal to the upside right now. What's up, Brad Wu? Wu-Tang! Sorry.
Happy birthday, Mitch. Could we take a look at Dollar Hive blockchain? I know it's a mining stock and relies on what BTC does, but still curious to see your thoughts. Thank you so much for everything. Patreon is the best investment I've ever made.
Dang, man. You want to put that in Patreon testimonials? Dude, if you're a patron and you're enjoying it, you know, in the Discord, there's a Patreon testimonials. People all the time are like, is it worth it? Is it worth it? It's like, go check out the testimonials, dude. Right? So go in there and type that out. You know, that just helps. So, your experience. All right, chat. So we're only 6 of this 6 editions left of this NFT. 6 of 25 now. Okay. Who's it gonna be? Very good. Oh, there's only 5 left. He just got his. Okay, that hasn't. I guess it hasn't gone through yet. It would let me know. Really cool though. I love it. Good job, Chaylin, man. So right, I mean that's what you got going. Thank you, Brad. Wu-Tang! Sorry. I get carried away with the Wu-Tang.
I'll go write a testimonial now. Thanks.
Thank you, man. Thank you, dude. Seriously. Just like humbling experience. All right. It's an honor to be able to do this. But I love it, man. It's just... Imagine not loving this stuff, loving how it's so reliable. This system we have, right? It's so reliable. You can change your life if you do it the right way, man. Okay, so that was Hive. Let's look at Hive from Brad, which I think we had been there. Wasn't it doing what Coinbase was doing? I can't remember. Dang, man, it's super strong, right? Super strong structure. Yeah, dude, this is something.
Noise!
You like XLM/BTC Weekly? Look at XRP/BTC Weekly. Happy birthday.
I was waiting for it. I was waiting for the XRP army to respond, chat. It is just like a natural thing. Oh, is XLM getting love on this stream? Ah, well. People must know of XRP.
Happy birthday, bud.
Thank you, dude. We'll look. Thank you, Echo Leaf. Much love, dude.
Birthday spin 0.00261474.
Dude, after last night, I don't know if I can, man. It's got to be a sober birthday for me, you know. I mean, Bitcoin and crypto is making me drunk enough, right? Like, this happens to be my birthday, and on the date of my birth, Bitcoin hits the highest weekly candle close of all time in 24 minutes and 44 seconds. It's almost certain now. I mean, something insanely bad would have to happen. It would have to drop, what, 600, 700 plus points. No, it would have to drop 1,300 points from here, where the price is now in Bitcoin, to not have a historical weekly candle close. So it's probably happening. Like, I'm just saying, I'm going out on a limb here. I'm going on a limb so much that I created an NFT that arrogantly called a weekly candle close, historical candle close, and we were 2 hours out when it was minted. So I was super cocky, and looks like I'm not going to get burnt this time. Whew. Right? Because look what the description is. This NFT immortalizes Bitcoin, making the highest weekly candle close of all time on my birthday, which is not even, that hasn't even happened yet. We're still 23 minutes and change out. Super arrogant, all right? It's the most arrogant thing I've ever done as a 33-year-old. Going on 34. So I guess you got this level here. You know, you could kind of see it looking left. Reversal, 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 dump, right? That's real. Then you've got like a zone here. Support, 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 support. Couldn't hold, dump. Okay. So you got some levels over here. You're like above this level. You're like at the top of it. So can it break? I don't know. We never know. That's okay. But I think if it does break, you'd probably be targeting for 474. The candle open from way back when it gapped up the date of November 2017. Wow. Just before Bitcoin went parabolic. Ran from 5K to 20K in like what? Was it like a couple weeks or something or less? 5 days? Okay. So yes, momentum is shifting on this asset. I love it above the 200-day moving average. This could be a long. I think this could be an opportunity for a long. Yeah, the M shape didn't really shape up. It didn't go deep enough. Too much demand. But like, look at this other level here. Dang, look at this candle high close from January 8th, then the wick low, then another like March 5th, March 25th. Look at this, April 23rd. It would just held as support. So I think if you break 313, eventually I think your target would be 474 on Hive, okay? And I think a stop loss just below the previous discernible little swing low on the daily would be good. It's up 8% on the day though. Dang, man, you know, it's tough. Tough ever going. You never want to go long on those days when it's up that much. Maybe it pulls back and you get lucky, goes down 3%. Then one could just place a bid, you know, before it goes. But you are on the cusp of a major breakout if you haven't already broken out. As I scale out and you can see it, we are breaking that one level, right? The one very real level. It's like a zone though, you know, it's like wicks, you know, and candle closes, candle opens, a lot of candle opens, like a lot of gaps up on this one. So I don't know, it's just right at a breakout point. I'm gonna put that wick right there from November of 2017 at 314. You're at 313, so you're very close to a breakout on Hive, a very real historical major breakout. All right, that's your Hive. Momo shifting, lows, lowest lows, now higher lows. Things are turning around for Hive blockchain. Uh-oh, there are now only 5 NFTs left. 5 of 25. Dang, man. I think that was the last request. Let's see here. Except the spin, and I can't, dude, I can't drink, man, today. I just can't. Okay, so back to Bitcoin. We got 20 minutes, so help me run out the clock on Bitcoin.
Can we check IDEX USDT?
Yes. Yes, we can. Egg. Ooh, interesting. Daily. Wait, hold on. When is it? IDX USDT. Not on this one, right? Because Binance, there's very little data. Is there more on something else? I feel like no, there's not. It's like only on this exchange. Okay. Like, what am I doing here? What am I looking at here, dude? Right? Okay, so there's a level that it's not above, that you need it to be above, kind of desperately. It's a little zone right there that's from September 22nd, was created first time ever. and you know you fell below it, you sprung, you back tested the spring, you rallied, couldn't do crap, lower high to distribution, and then slightly lower lows, and it's just stuck here, and it can't hold. Like maybe above 32 cents, it's okay, but below it, I don't want anything to do with it. Nothing. It can't make. When's the last time it made a freaking higher high? I guess you could say maybe September 28th from this high, but it's substantially lower than the previous highs before it. So I mean, like, if it can get back above 32 cents and back test it successfully and hold, I might like it, but I don't like it below it. I'm just not into it below it. Okay. Yes, that's right. C point of the Gartley. Oh, you're talking about. Well, it hasn't even pivoted.
C point of the bullish Gartley and send this to the moon, Chad.
It hasn't even pivoted, and yeah, like he's talking about this. He's talking about the other side where I think ABCD is in the midst of happening, but other people would probably be like, okay, XA, B, C. This is it. This is the maximum threshold for a C point on a potential Gartley. So, yeah, this is it, man.
Andy cleaned up on the BTC.
786 would take you down to 17,000 and change. That's what he's talking about. So it's too early. It hasn't even reversed. So
we have a free-range organic cat jacket with your name on it. 0.000163305 BTC.
Fantastic. You know, possums are amazing. They're really cute, and I don't know. People don't like possums. I think they're adorable, but whatever. If I'm ever in New Zealand, come to the farm, dude. Can we go to the Hobbit farm? I'm going to New Zealand one day. Like once they stop being like crazy COVID authoritarians and stuff, once that settles down, that might take 10 years maybe or never. I want to do the entire Lord of the Rings tour all over New Zealand. That is definitely, I don't care how much it costs, I'm doing it, you know, one day. Yes, he did retire. Good idea. Thank you, man. All right, that's all that Marbob was talking about, dude. Like the Gartley maximum threshold for the C point about to get wrecked. Okay, yeah, XRP. There's a riot. I know. God, they're rioting outside my outside the Citadel. Right now, I can hear them. No, that's just the Tennessee fans last night. Get wrecked. Throwing freaking mustard bottles. Are you kidding me, Tennessee fans? Keep it trashy, I guess. I don't know. We're gonna wreck you this week, though. I'll tell you that. I just bought 50-yard line tickets to the Alabama-Tennessee game coming up, so.
My bae didn't
really
know you were
fun.
hungover. You can chug water. Smiley face. 0.0020.
Oh, thank you, Nick. Okay, I'll spin for a water chug. Sure, dude. Sure. Come on. I wanted to land on chug for the first time ever. Dang it, you have to drink water. Go ahead and drink water, Smitty, man. Thanks, dude. So XRP to BTC, not as good. It's not successfully back testing a spring yet. It has further to dump. It needs to go down between 1191 and 1509.
MPA looks ready for a 50% markup. Collision.
What's up, real DJT's brother? MTA? I don't know. We can look at it. Sure. Hold on. Let me trying to get this perfect, man. What the? Sometimes I can do it well. Sometimes I can't. Gotta have hands of a surgeon. There we go. Shoot, dude. Okay, right there. It's like it's trying to get there. I hope it gets there. If it holds, it could moon, but like it could outperform. But it seems like there's further to go to the downside. Okay. So it's not as good as XLM, unfortunately, to BTC. It's just not. What's up, D-Subs, man? We can look at it. Apparently put on the list. All right. That's it. Not as good as XLM. I'm sorry. Chat, there are only... How many? There are only 4 of these NFTs left now. 4 of 25. So in Bitcoin, this will be confirmed. Highest weekly close ever in 14 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay. It was... How do I think Evergrande could affect crypto? Oh, I have no idea, dude. I don't know. That's such a macro speculative thing that there's so many variables. I have no idea how to affect crypto. You know, China banned, communist China banned all crypto, so it's like you're like a felon if you try to do anything with crypto now over there. So get wrecked. Imagine being a communist Chinese person. That would not be good right now. MTA. Meta. We already looked at that today. What the heck, man? We already looked at this one literally earlier. And yeah, dude, it like I told y'all though, or you weren't here, I guess. It looks like it's trying to confirm a bottom, but what would be exceptional is if this asset could come in back test 83 cents as support to confirm, right? We're talking about strategic entries where we can strategically set up stop losses marginally below these levels, these major levels. You broke it and no one knows if it's real. No one knows if you've truly broken it because market participants like seeing back tests, confirmations. So again, I know it's down 10% and it could just moon and keep going, but you want to, if you want to apply traditional technical analysis to your trades in crypto, you would want to see this asset do this.
First NFT ever.
You would want it to backtest and confirm. And then one takes a beautiful low risk, high reward opportunity long, and then moon, right? Then 178 is the target. Yep.
Velo USDT on TradingView.
We want to spring back test always.
Happy birthday.
What's up, Tomothy? Oh, we can look at it, man. We can look at it. No, I don't love bashing China, but we're realistic and we understand that they have killed millions of people to get in power. The mafia, right? The Chinese mafia. That's who's in charge there, and they can just. There is no due process. There's no human rights.
Andrew Claude Felter tipped $21.
It's not the Chinese people. It's the communist Chinese party that I have a problem with.
You are
and
truly
most
a blessing.
I don't know how you
God
couldn't.
bless. 0.005478882
What's up, Andrew, man? Thanks for the $21 of Ethereum. Much love.
Sorry, that was for MTA Meta royalty, maybe Toronto Stock Excess ROI.
Gotcha. Imagine someone tipping MTA earlier in the stream for crypto and then MTA the stock. Wow. Let's see. Oh, interesting level. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of ugly. Like, look at that Momo shift. That's real bad. But it's trying to hold this level, this high back from February 4th. Right there. Up 4.27%. What a spring back test. What a bullish engulfing candle. Dang. Look at the daily. Great. Bullish controls on 63.7. Nice. So this holds. If this holds, where it looks like it's almost like a bullish 3 drives, right? Look, like 1, 2, and then like 3 here. I mean, that's like almost bullish 3 drives. And I think like your minimum target, if you were in this, anything above $7 is really good, is fine. And I think probably your target would be this high from October of last year.
Thanks.
Yeah, dude, thanks for the 1667. Much love. What is 1667, dude? What number is that? Is that some sort of... What happened on the year of 1667? Okay. Thanks, man. All right, and then above that, you would say... Above 888 would be 994. Very rare. Look at the inflection there. Look how many times you reversed. Okay, so I think that's your target if you can hold here. There was really, really nice bullish divergence in the end on MTA. Now look at this. Look at that. Look at that incredible seller exhaustion at an inflection point from history. It was do or die there, right? So if this can hold, I think there's much more upside. Yep, what an engulfing candle, and I love how it's not overbought. Pretty good looking chart here. Not too bad. I know I hate the Momo huge bear structure, but if it holds levels looking left, it's not a big deal. Okay, Bitcoin less than 10 minutes now and nearing the highs of the day. You are so high right now. You are close to the highest 4-hour candle close of the entire run, the entire recovery, right? Since 30K. This rally, everyone, you put y'all's rally caps on. Take off the birthday hats and put on the rally caps. Dang, man. next one. Hey, you bought your first NFT ever? Did you do it? Was that the one? Uh-oh. There are only 3 of the 25 of this NFT left. Chat, there are 3. Holy crap. Someone has already listed one of these, and it's on sale for 6.1 Ethereum each. Holy crap, dude. What? Y'all crazy, man. Y'all crazy. What's up, BK Trap, man?
BK Trap tipped $28.28. Sub Mitch, been a while. Can we revisit my Christmas Eve request? VI.
That played out. We've had another trade set up on that one that's played out too, huh? Yeah, that was nuts. Bitcoin is at 61,618. Can someone screenshot that? That is golden mean ratio beauty right there. Oh, you gotta love it, man. Look at that.
Oh, would you look at that?
Do you understand? $61,618.88 or whatever, and it's at a 1.618 fib extension. What?
Highest weekly candle close for Bitcoin. Eyes. Happy birthday, Mitch. Birthday cake.
Yeah, what a
Yes,
day.
on
What a
Zoom.
birthday present, huh?
Cheers. Clinking glasses. Champagne bottle.
Dude, don't even mention alcohol right now. Ugh. Oh, we got a new patron. Hey, Crypto for Less. Thank you so much for joining the Patreon just moments ago. Please be sure to sync with the Patreon on the Discord as Bitcoin's pumping at its highest level of the day. Every few seconds I'm talking to you. Thank you, dude. Oops. Okay, so I think we had Oh, okay. That's interesting. So there were 3 of the 25 available, but because one person put it back up for sale for 6.1 Ethereum each, there are now 4 available, but there are still 3 available at a reasonable price and 1 available at unbelievable prices. Okay. All right. It's hard to get off Bitcoin, man, because it's doing things. It's doing some nice things right here to close the week out. Next request. Got a couple of them, man. So we got QNT right here that was requested. I don't know. It looks okay above 266, I guess. Just going sideways. Hadn't seen positive momentum since September 17th, so that's probably a really good thing. You've got hidden bullish divergence going on. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, I think if it's going to continue upward, its target's 395 again, right? I think you got this range, right? You got to go with the range, right? Like sold off and this wick was created and you got the candle high up here, right? And you're just like, you sprung back, trying to back to the spring, holding, trying to hold. Okay, if it holds long enough, it eventually will run up to 395 probably. That's QNT, I guess. It's not like the best, but it's holding levels for now. Let's see. Dealer. Ooh, this one's awful. I mean, yeah, dude, this one sucks. I mean, what do you... Yeah, maybe it's going to be bullish divergence soon. It's coming on down to 21 cents. Looking left, there's nothing here until 21 cents. And it's at 23.8 cents, so we could lose some more value before it tests any other level. It's like at all-time lows pretty much. Lowest candle close a couple days ago ever. They're just, why even care about this coin when there are so many others that don't look like literal trash? This one's literal trash. You know, but I mean, okay, you know, it's at lower risk areas maybe. Well, like, you know, where is it? Like, there's nothing looking left that's good about it, so I don't... I don't think it's that. I don't like it, man. Like, great. Hey, get back above 28.7 cents, and then we'll have a conversation about it. Okay, we'll talk. Not until then, man. Yeah, decentralized Velcro. Get out of here, dude. Forget about it. YFII for BK. That looks weird. Like, oh my god, is it Momo shifting? It's about to get wrecked and go back down to 27.58. But yeah, he requested this. I'm taking it. He was the one that requested it. That got our eyes on it. It was the harmonic, but it was also a jump across a creek. It jumped across the creek, across the Delaware with George Washington and Bitcoin. Or just a couple days after Christmas, right? Right around New Year's. The jump across the creek, and then it ran to the top of the range, exceeded it, dumped, and then eventually it found its way back down the bottom, and then it reset, and then went again, and then we had the trade set up with a bull flag that hit one target, was on its way to the second, and just reversed before it got there, and that was it. So I don't really think there's action to take on YFII right now. I have no idea. It's making lower highs locally, but it's holding the major inflection point, and just... I mean, it's trying to show some bullish divergence, but you're showing the bullish divergence and then nothing's happening afterwards. So where are the bids? No one's buying this crap yet, even though it's above critical levels. Anything above 36.82, 38.12 safe. It's okay. It's good. Anything below it, you want nothing to do with it, man. So if anyone's in YFII right now, I think it would be very smart to probably have some sort of protective stop below 3,800. 3,700. Okay, that's it. And thanks for the over 1,000 people watching. If you're enjoying this historical live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. What the heck, man? Do you understand if you're watching this stream, you're about to be a part of history with us in 2 minutes and 30 seconds? So you'd be like, where were you when Bitcoin made its highest weekly candle close ever? Higher than in April, higher than in May, higher than March. You were here, possibly. And that's why there's an NFT. All right. We got another one that sold. But as one sells, another person puts another one on sale for 5 Ethereum. So there are still 4 available, but I think there are only 2 available that are not crazy prices. So you got 2 left, maybe even 1. I don't even know anymore. Thou shalt remember the date of the 17th of October 2021. It's sold out. Wow, is it really?
Happy birthday, man. Weekly candle
There you
close
go,
hype
dude.
in the chat. Fire, fire, fire.
T-Paid.
0.0001624 BTC.
Where's the auto tune, man? Thanks so much for the TN and the love. Yeah, that's it, man. So if you want to buy now this NFT, it will cost you minimum 5 Ethereum. There you go, dude. Wow. So back to Bitcoin. It is your local on the 8s. We are moments away, less than 1 minute until history is made, chat. It's an honor to be here with you. Here it is. 40 seconds. Where's the song? Where is the song? It's called Lazy Sunday, right? Lazy Weekend. This is the song, chat. 8 seconds. Here we go. JK, thanks for the preemptive Jesus chimes. Hey, Mitch. First of all, happy freaking birthday. Second of all, if I do a request, go check out Bake. Sure, dude. We'll look at it, JK. Thanks, man. Here it is, chat. We've done it.
Is that a joint?
Sorry. It is confirmed. Highest weekly candle close of all frickin' time. Can we please get some?
Hype in the chat! Look here! Look, listen! Bruh.
Bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour. Meh. And a close above of the March 13th. Candle high close on the daily. That's also real. So, I mean, imagine not being hyped for that. What in the world can you even be hyped for then? You'll never get hyped for anything if you're not hyped for what just happened here, Larry. Okay? Fantastic. Crazy man. Happy freaking birthday. To myself, I guess. So remember, the major ABCD structure, $87,000 to $88,000 target eventually. Oh yeah, of course. I thought about that, but it was just like, What the? Why is this coming on there? Are you kidding me? Jesus, it's coming on my
fuel stock
speakers. I don't know what's going on, dude. Good God. What's up, Bandman Dan? Thanks for 12, dude.
Happy birthday. Have a drink on me, smile.
Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Catch a break, man. Everybody's freaking out
now
right
we
now.
find supporter told all-time high weekly candle close, smiley face, clinking beer mugs.
What? What's up, Colorado Trader, man? Thanks for the 1618 super chat. Sorry, I was doing things. All right, out the gate, nearing, we're at $61,730. Immediate, a little bit of immediate price action, whatever, it's not a big deal. No Hey Song yet. Come on, dude. You know where the Hey Song is. Hey Song is in the 64s, okay? When we're hitting 64, we're playing the Hey Song, okay? Just remember the weekly here. Unreal. 66. Perfect. Perfect levels. For all-time highs, for sure. Ethereum. What a bullish engulfing candle confirmed on the weekly for Ethereum, chat. Third highest candle close of all time. And it seems like this bearish divergence is not going to play out. It looks like it's about to get violated and validated.
Red stream soon? Or Starship Fighter stream?
Star Wars stream, sure, yeah, we'll be doing one soon. But a really special one will be coming that I will not be in the Gartley XL, I will be in the FOMO Death Star. Okay? FOMO Death Star. Oh my god, dude. I posted that, Brad, that tweet, and I got scammers posting their scam stuff in there. You can't escape. It's every single platform. There are these Nigerian scammers, dude. It's unreal. Yeah, Chalen. No pressure, dude. But the eyes of the nation, of the world, it's upon you right now. Don't screw it up. Very good stuff, man. I just don't even know what to say. What a birthday. I can't believe this is my birthday. Hey, I'm hoping that next week is the same thing, but it's not my birthday. And Bitcoin's again at its highest weekly candle close ever. Yeah, this type of price action always brings back the scammers. It is. But they're here during the non-scam times too. You have some very committed scammer losers out there. I'll tell you. It should only be visible on the daily. Beautiful. That is so crazy, man. All the NFTs sold out. All 25. Beautiful, man.
Runny68 super chatted $36.31. Hello from Waz and happy birthday, Mitch. Can you take a look at fuel? Thanks.
TV, what's up, Rennie, man? Thanks for the Australian super chat. Yep.
We'll sell the weekly high close NFT for 100 DTH. It'll also throw in a free egg.
Well, then you gotta do it, man. You got to. You have to do it. You have to buy that NFT for 100K if there's an egg involved, a free egg. No brainer, man. Value too high, too dang high. Okay. Let's see. There was another request. We have them continuously going in.
Danny Manioji tipped $22.72. Mingo 4 hours cipher with confirmation low at critical support. Happy B-Day, been awesome watching our channel grow over the years.
Danny Man the OG, thanks for the 2272 contribution. We'll look at it. Much love. Thank you. Someone needs to timestamp this one because it's like how many assets have we looked at today? I want to see the list. I want to see the list, man. All right, that next request. Oh yeah, egg Wi-Fi and LEC competing for lowest performer positions. Definitely scrubs. So the next one was Q Fuel. Q Fuel, that is a major bullish engulfing candle on the weekly, confirmed first level of positive momentum since February, the week of February 15th of this year. Pretty big deal, man. Something's happening here, right? But, you know, I would say there's no confirmation or anything. I guess it just leveled out right here. You know, it's like you see where there was some price action. It looks like it's holding that as support. It's like in a zone of inflection and it's trying to pivot. Don't know if there's action to take on it. Right, I don't know if it's deep enough for a harmonic, right? This thing would probably need to go a little deeper. But there was definitely bullish divergence on the also. Oh, it was beautiful daily bullish divergence here. Look, a low and all the lower lows. Look at that, man. Very nice. And then you had this crab pattern, right? Certainly some sort of crab. Bullish crab pattern. Look, right? Yep. 1618. Nope, just a 1272. So it wasn't even. So there were just some sort of M shape that hit a 1272 and has reversed there and is holding above levels from history. If it was going to be the real deep crab, it'd be way lower, the 1.618. But yeah, it's interesting to see at a fib extension, at least a short-term reversal occurring. Yeah, so upside, I would think, is probably going to take you. I think your target, if it did hold, might be $37 eventually. But remember, this thing is not making higher highs or higher lows right now locally. All it's doing is making its lowest low. So, I mean, it's just like, maybe if you like come back and make another higher low, okay, discernible, like you run up, you make, you know, whatever, same high, lower high, then you sell off and you make a much higher low than the previous discernible low. Then you can say, hey, accumulation's really going. I mean, locally you can see that, but I don't know. I really like seeing consecutive higher highs, higher lows. You know, so you know the short-term uptrend is beginning.
Since mid-2019. Thank you for your being real and staying consistent. Can we take a look at HNT Plaza Kangs?
What's up, charge it to the game. Which game, dude? Thanks for the 20. Yep. I guess HNT would be the game here. So we'll see if the level can hold. If not, it just makes a lower high and dumps down to 2052 at the next fib extension. Or probably around 1.414. And that's another level where it could go, right? But yeah, a lot of really good bullish divergence is ushering in a somewhat slight reversal, not too much right now. Weekly bullish engulfing candle was really nice, though, on this. That's all I got for you. We'll see. T-Fuel for Australian mates. Theta Gas. Yep, we identified a bullish structure. It's done nothing. I mean, it held and rallied and hit the top of the range, and that's it. Right? It's just like stuck. It can't do anything, man. Just stuck in a glass case of motion, right between two levels. And you could probably say it's another harmonic cipher or shark. Another one right here. You know, anything, the closer you are to 23.9 cents, the closer you are to an easy to size up, you know, area, right, for your stop losses. Because anything, I don't think you want anything to do with T fuel below 24 cents, 23.9 cents. So you're still kind of, you know, somewhat off of that. So the closer you get to it, maybe you back test it as support. This low from April 24th. Maybe you back test that. You didn't quite do it on the 21st. So I don't know if anything sticks out really. It's just really nice move up and now just sideways consolidate. It's probably like bullish consolidation for a long time. I think eventually this thing will break upward and go much higher levels. It just might take a while. It's been a while. It's been since March. This thing has done nothing since March. Stablecoin, fixed price on T fuel. But the good news is it's all occurring after a major impulse up. So that's good. That's good bullish consolidation, and eventually, in time, it could be a long time, eventually higher prices, or it'd probably go back up to 67 cents again. That's T fuel. All right, mango, hanging on. Bullish divergence, extremely real in development on the MACD only, not the RSI, right? We hadn't seen positive momentum since October 6th. You could see one bottom, maybe a second bottom. It's trying to hold, but just a couple of days ago, bearish engulfing candle. If it doesn't hold, you could be in a lot of trouble here. So just look, as you can see, this is painted as an inflection zone August 13th because it was the first time it ever was created, right? It was manufactured here. And ever since then, everything's correlated to it, right? Like August 26th, September 22nd, as you can see, September 26th, and now October 12th, and here and now, right? So I have to just do it. I'm just going to plot the little gray zone like we do because it's not one area. It's not like one price. It's a little zone. So if you can hold on to this, which I don't know, if you can, there is substantial upside potential. But if not, there is substantial downside potential where you could lose so much value, go down to 19, 20 cents. So that's kind of where I'm at on MGO to US dollar. Major critical levels. If it holds, it could do very well. It could substantial upside. If it doesn't hold, substantial downside. But yeah, great request, just because this is an area where somebody might take along off the bullish divergence on the MACD, but it could still fail. Okay. Decentralized mangoes, all in, dude. Kappa. Your Honor, he said Kappa. All right. HNT hanging on. I like it, kind of. Yeah, I actually really like this right here. Okay, so this is I don't know the last time I've been here, but what was once a resistance, April 6th, what was once a resistance, May 3rd, May 18th, countless times. Look, what was once resistance, August 10th, 11th, is now support. Spring back test of spring, inverse head and shoulders. You're at the neckline. You're trying to break out, right? That you have broken out. You see the high where I posted it right there from April 7th. This is very, very good here. If this breaks, minimum target on HNT 2639. Okay, you have it. You can clearly see the momentum shifting structure, right, in waves. Where it was a low, yeah, Scanway can get it. The lowest low, and now the higher low. But the higher low gave us multiple variables, right? This higher low was a successful spring back test of a candle high close from April 7th. There was a bullish pin bar reversal. And it was the higher low, right? Like the accumulation signature here. And so now you're above this level. Again, the wick high. And if you're going to 2639, that is the target if this holds. And if it doesn't hold, then as long as you make a higher low than the previous discernible low before it, it's all good. More accumulation and it runs. And I think the target's 2639 anyway. That's it. Okay? These are really good stuff on HNT. It's holding critical levels as support, and it's confirming it very well, very recently, just like a week ago, and it's marked up since then. Very good. No, you didn't miss bake, but it's hard to. Those are when you tip or when you buy merchandise, it's easier to slip through the cracks because it's not on my Stream Elements. It's a Streamlabs thing, okay? And Stream Elements doesn't do this. They in-house their stuff, and I don't like that. So yeah, bake. That was a request too. Sure. I think bake looks fine, dude. It's slow. It's low and slow, but I think eventually on bake, you got this going, dude. Okay. I think eventually, this is what Bake's very well could do. Right, just making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It's even trying to back test 186, the old low for May 23rd as support. It's very close to it. Patience is required on this one, I think. Yep. Bake eventually gonna do things. I've already looked at XPR. I've looked at almost everything on the stream. I seriously want someone to timestamp this one. I know no one does it every day, but some people would do it, you know, and it's like, okay, how many assets have we looked at on this stream today? Anyone want to guess? Whew. Y'all run me ragged today, and that's okay, man. I appreciate it. Beautiful. Beautiful 61618888. Unreal, dude. So Fibonacci.
Big 4 hours bullish hammer.
Maybe. Sorry, dude. You're still out.
Bond/USDC, Uniswap chart please, smiley face.
What's up, BK Blitz, dude? Thanks, Rob. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's serious. Yeah. You can go to the 4 hour on bake. Look at this. This is a very real bullish hammer. I mean, it may not play out, but that, if that's not a bullish hammer, what is a bullish hammer? This is it. This is a 4 hour bullish hammer. Whew. We'll see what happens, chat. It's identified. It's real. Sweet. Bonds, the US dollar on Uniswap. Oh, it's already begun to move and this pullback. I think it's just like patience required on this one. Had a pump and it dumped, and now it's just hanging out, and all is well. Right? Eventual targets way higher, but it's just gonna take time. Major pullback. A lot of these S-coins did it. They pumped like 50+%, you know. Thanks, Puma. Thanks for watching. Okay, well that was it. That was the last request. We got through them all, man. A lot of them. Holy crap, and things are just kind of the calm before the storm on the new week. Once Bitcoin breaks $61,770, we could be seeing the Hey song very soon, where we could be running to 65K really fast. Do not count it out, man. Euphoria is starting to come back, and it's not even the retail, it's institutional money that's all driving this up. Institutional money, and you're starting to become countries and sovereign governments starting to buy this stuff, right? So just pay attention. We're at the inflection zone. Just one more, a minor one, not too big of a deal, but it is a major swing high. It's very real. It's like that. You see it. You break it, nothing till two all-time highs. This is the last one, man. This is like the, you know, the boss before the last boss, you know. So I've been live 2 hours, 8 minutes. You know, if you enjoyed the historical breakout weekly candle close stream, hit the like button, the bullet sub. Thank y'all. So, hey, we're starting to, hey, if we break this tonight or tomorrow, emergency stream will be happening. You know it, right? Probably. So just pay attention to Bitcoin price action, and you better be in the Discord. You want to be in the Discord so you get notified when I go live at a random time because Bitcoin's pumping. If you are not in the Discord, you'll probably miss that stream because YouTube will fail you. So, freaking love y'all. Thanks for what an incredible birthday. Keeping it going, just extending it, making it just so nice. And what I'll do is I'll just leave y'all to it. Have your alerts set up just above 61,770 because if we break it, a lot of upside. And it can happen fast. So I'll be back. Until next time, respect the T. Hey.
Bruh.
Chad, are we gonna do this thing? Are we launching, man? Is this it? Is this it? It is very German, doesn't matter, okay, bad. Wunderbar, das ist mein Chat, das ist mein Werk.
Is that a joint?
Taking pictures of memories. Now I'm carefully putting them away. My soul seeks the answer. Who knows? Tomorrow I may find the North Star, but the truth is hidden deep under. When will we shine? You can always let me hide all my past. So never an exception. Who knows? Just with the doubt, I may reach the North Star. The truth is hidden deep under. Will we ever shine? You can always let me hide all my past, so the vanity will play its part. Beyond the moon, beyond the moon, beyond the moon.
I'm gone. Mine too far, come remember the digits. She want a glass of Prosecco, the bitch that she with trippin', leave her at the Petco. It's still the same kid from the metro. She ran out of drugs, had the ball called Petro. Looking in the eyes, see the meadow. Looking at her lips full of kisses, the wet throat. She said she never been to the ghetto. Put her on the tab, turn the hood to a disco. Now she rockin' and I'm rockin' and we feelin' it out. All the energy I held in, I'm giving it out. I forgot about my problems, I'm living it up. I cannot feel my feet, I've been dancing. I've been grinding my teeth while she ranting. Everybody shut the fuck up and start dancing. Grinding my teeth while she ranting. Look at her eyes, I can tell she's demanding.
Is that a joint?
Nights, wanna go again. Loose legs, all on my back, can't feel the wind. I see stars every time I hold your hand. You can leave your car, self-driving the brand new Benz. Loosen up your guard, make this shit last, I don't want it to end. Hope you do your part, I just need you to snap on both of your hands. Like that. Love the way you move when it's like that. Heard you paid all your dues with a ring check. You turned me to a fool for insane sex. You passed the love test. Join a Mile High Club on a plane next. Heart beating like kangaroos. I can't wait to shut the fuck up and dance, dog. Remember those lies you told your friend. I was happy you could do once more again. A rooftop party won't seem to end. I need you here alone with me. My love and my heart ain't gon' break my heart. You're all I got, you all I need. Don't leave me cold outside to ride. I'm so depressed, I feel bulimic. My soul restored in one accord. You lend your heart to me, I mean. The DMT reaching inside my brain. I had dinner with God, trust me, girl, I seen him. Heaven's too real to dream or feel. Trust me with my own eyes, baby girl, I seen it. Late night vibes, I need your high. Let me get one hit, baby girl, I'm feeling. In too deep to cut my ties, I'm way too high. I just love Venus. Try my best to make you smile. Never said that I was perfect, I'm still quite genius. iPhone pics inside that star, you look drunk as fuck, I think you need me. Rubbing your body just like it's gold. Your dress is the bottle and you the genie. OMG, let's spice things up. I got a little bit of ecstasy in my veins. Loving on you is taking its toll. I hope you said when you love me that you mean it. Love me that you mean it. Love me that you mean it.
need you, yeah. Coursing through my veins, to my bloodstream, through my bloodstream. Through my bloodstream. Through my bloodstream. I believe you, yeah. It coursing through my veins, through my bloodstream, and I still need you, yeah. Coursing through my veins, through my bloodstream, through my bloodstream.
Yeah, all the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. It's getting late, but I don't mind. 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 Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best therapy for me.
Life is all about you, and not at all about you. Now that's two opposing thoughts, and yet both of them are true. How can you experience everything you choose to do while observing the experience you're having from a higher view? See, it's the question, not the answer, that's the higher view. Otherwise, you couldn't differentiate between the two. Awareness But of who? You think you hurt me, but I promise I was letting you. They say we're all one, but where have we been heading to? I'd rather die free than have to live inside a petting zoo. I am the journey that I'm getting Gratitude is my destination. My destiny is perfectly aligned with this location. I am the map, so I travel back in time. I have everything I want, cause my imagination is mine. But mine is not enough for me, cause I am not my mind. I could see it all, but never get to see I'm truly blind. I could be it all, but all identity is intertwined. The moon is only bright because it reflects the sunshine.
I don't know.
It's not the human race, it's just the human race. There's nothing left to chase. We do not run this place. But both medicine and poison's an acquired taste, so I started taking selfies of somebody else's face.
Tell me something. What is more genius than a child's laughter? Are we not simply the children of this world?
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
I have some evidence Man Bear Pig could be in this area.
I don't know, sir.
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.